Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make email field unique in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before moving forward, we would like to inform you that we have recently launched a Salesforce course specially for a Salesforce administrator, and even if you are a beginner, then you will easily understand the topics and the content of the course. And here also a limited time offer of 50% discount for the early birds, and you will get the lifetime access of the course. And you can buy this course through the link that we are mentioned in the description box. This Salesforce admin training course is from beginner to advanced level and also have 9 plus modules with a real business scenario and have a 21 hour of HD videos, and we also provide a course material like PDFs and solution, and also provide one-to-one doubt clear and interview preparation session and certification for the completion and internship and placement opportunities. So you can subscribe this course and learn a lot about the Salesforce administrator part. So let's move to our topic. So this is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are learn how to make email field unique in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon, we can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see there is a object manager tab present. Click on this object manager tab, and under this object manager tab loads of objects are already present, and here we want to select the customer object. So we enter the customer in the search box and select the customer object. Our customer object page is open, and here we can see the detail related to the customer, and on the left side there is a detail section present, and under this section there is a field and relationship option present. Click on this field and relationship option, and our field and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see that lots of fields are already created, and here we want to select the email field which have a email data type, and we make this field unique, so we click on this field, and our email custom field page is open, and here we want to edit this field, so we click on the edit button. Our email field comes into the edit mode, and here we want to make this field unique, so we scroll to the bottom, and there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see there is a unique checkbox present which do not allow the duplicate value, so we click on the unique checkbox and click on the save button. Our customer custom field email page is open, and here we can see our general option section. There is a unique checkbox present which is checked. Now click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box, and hit the sales option. Our sales page is open. Now select the customer object, so we click on the drop down arrow of the more, and here we search for the customer object. So we scroll to the bottom, and here is the customer object. Click on that, and our customer record page is open. Now we want to create the new record, so we click on the new button, and here we enter the customer name as a Nick Jonas, and then enter the customer feedback, and then scroll to the bottom, enter the feedback comment, and then enter the email. Here we entering the email as this, and then enter the customer contact number, and then scroll to the bottom. If you want to fill the feedback ID, then you can, otherwise click on the save button. And here if we go, we can see our Nick Jonas record is created, and our email field is unique. That's why our record is saved. Otherwise, it pop up error message that fill the unique email address. So now move forward and discuss about how to make email field unique for in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture, we can see there is an option present. Switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. Our classic version is open. Now hit the username drop down arrow and select the setup option. Our setup page is open. Now enter the user in the quick find box, and here we go. Our user come at the top, and under this user list we can see there is a fields option present. Click on this fields. Our user fields page is open, and here we go. We can see lots of fields are already created. These are the standard fields, and when we scroll to the bottom, under the user custom field section, we can see there is a email field is created, that is the email data type, and we want to make this field unique. So we click on the email field, and we want to add this field, and our custom field email page is open, and here we want to add this field to make this field unique. So that's why we click on the edit button. Our email field comes into the edit mode. So we scroll to the bottom, and there is a general option section present, and under this general option section we can see there is a unique checkbox present which do not allow the duplicate values. So we click on the unique checkbox and hit the save button, and we come back to our user custom field email page, and when we scroll to the bottom under the general option section we can see our unique checkboxes checked. So with this we have learned how to make email field unique in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.